My name is Dineo Kuzwayo. I'm from South Africa, African National Congress. On the first day when we arrived, the second day of it, we went to Bagamoyo, I think. So when we went there, I was still clueless of what this place is, what's happening there. However, when I got there, it was very much interesting. It was more of a historical side, and we got to learn of how our countries relate, the linkage, as well as like everything politically, right? The tradition here, I have not yet experienced a lot because I haven't seen it. We've been in the school, however. The food is amazing. I think it's called a safari. It's quite awesome. I do love it, I enjoy it.
My name is Bernard Wakudumo, SWAPO Party Central Committee Youth League in Namibia. My experience here is it's actually a good environment. The food, the ugali and the chapati, basically I enjoyed it. And for the workshop, it's actually educating and yeah, it's a good experience. I would urge young people to experience this. It's really nice.
Kumzungumzia mkuu wa shule ya uongozi wa Mwalimu Nyerere iliyopo Kibaha Pwani. Cha kwanza naweza nikasema ni mama mlezi, ni mama mnyenyekevu, ana upendo, alitupokea vizuri kuanzia siku ya kwanza mpaka tunaelekea mwisho wa mafunzo yetu.
Na sisi kama vijana na makada wa vyama hivi sita tumekuwa na mwamko mkubwa. Mafunzo haya yanatufanya tuwe na mwamko mkubwa wa kuhakikisha kwamba sasa tuko tayari kuhakikisha wananchi wanaendelea kuviamini vyama hivi, kuvitegemea na kuhakikisha vinafikishia malengo yake yale ya kuanzishwa kwake yapotei.